Oh yeah, guess who this is, guys? I got a brand new truck today. I just bought it at Walmart. Thing is one of these. Nope, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe. So maybe I already have that one. So let's see it. Ready? One, two, three. Excalibur, guys. Yeah, it's cool. It has a figure. Excalibur. Same design as um um how do you call it? As under 4x4 in the front, in the same girl and everything. Yeah, here, let's try to open it. It is the monster truck. There you go. Is Excalibur. Nice, really nice. I want to get this since a week ago. So yeah, I got nice details and everything. Oh yeah, blue figure. Mm-hmm. The figure right here. I like the details on it. I like the rims are red. They're cool. Plastic base. Mm-hmm. So yeah, bye, subscribe, and if you like my video, then yeah, thank you.